Ever wonder how a microwave heats your food so quickly? It's all thanks to a special kind of energy, microwaves. Inside your microwave, there's a device called a magnetron. It converts electricity into microwaves, which are a type of electromagnetic radiation. These microwaves bounce around and penetrate your food, exciting water, fat, and sugar molecules. The energy makes these molecules vibrate rapidly, generating heat. This heat spreads, warming your food from the inside out. That's why microwaves cook so fast. Just remember, microwaves heat unevenly, so stirring your food helps avoid cold spots. And that's the magic of microwave ovens, science making life easier, one meal at a time.